Good morning. It is a rainy Saturday. We are in the car getting on the road towards the Pocono Premium Outlets, formerly known as the Crossings. We're going to do some shopping there, and then Justin is going to Great Wolf Lodge for an overnight birthday party while the rest of us come home for the night, and we'll pick him up in the morning. We'll pick this up from the outlets. All right, so here we are at pulling into the Pocono Premium Outlets. See how busy this place is today. Rainy, cold, snowy, 5 below. I don't think we need a 5 below outlet. Aren't they cheap enough already? There's a big chicken. Shaq's big chicken, apparently. But we're here for Under Armour while we're here with Justin. So that's where we're gonna start. Right. So here we are at the Under Armour store, getting ready to check this out. Justin wanted to come here, so we're gonna start here before we head to his party, and then we'll take him up to Great Wolf in this rainy, disgusting day outside. Wow, is it bad? Cold, rainy, but at least the crossings aren't too crowded. So we're going to stay here for a little bit longer, walking around. It's Bath & Body Works, Fossil, which seems like a Fossil type store to me. Very old store. But I think now we're going to... Are we going to Famous Footwear now?
We're going to go to Famous Footwear.
Or, I don't know where UGG was.
Down by the food court. Right across from the food court.
Okay. Or we can go there.
No, snow.
So here they do have this nice courtyard area with oversized chess, Connect 4, cornhole, and these like spinny top type chairs to sit in. Really cool, but it's covered in snow from last night, so we're not going there.
She heard the U word.
Ah, okay. So we're just gonna keep walking through here and keep showing what stores are here as I can. We're in the back building now, and towards the front building, this is some other stores here. But we'll just see what's around. Allison wants to go to UGG, so that's where we're going next. I don't even know what tour it is. Skechers, this is my store. Get almost all my sneakers from here anymore. Very comfortable. And we're at UGG. That's the family going in now. And then got 5 below, a little bit further down. So I'm gonna put you away while we're going. Right, so we're now on the back side of the crossings. We got North Face here. Something called Hohem. K Jewelers coming up right in front of us. And then we are going to Famous Footwear. So, which is right this way. There's a Johnny Rockets here. Dunkin' Donuts. It's pretty busy place, honestly. I'm surprised at how busy it is today, but a little bit of drizzle coming down, not too bad. Mostly stopped. I almost fell down the steps and broke my knee. There's a Lids right here, which is nice. Right next to Perfumania. Right? Famous Footwear. All right, and this is the entire reason that we came. Crocs. She's already in there. And I'm gonna go in here now. This is the whole store that we're here for. Okay, we are done at the outlets. I'm gonna take a walk here back to the car, go home, and I'll see what this footage looks like and maybe give some more commentary. But using the microphone was very good, very nice, sounded real nice, at least in my initial testing. So I think I'm gonna get the DJI mic though, just to make things a little bit more convenient.